Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can schedule a call in WhatsApp. WhatsApp has recently rolled out a fantastic new features that will let you schedule calls, both voice and video call right inside your applications. So this is a game changer for team meetings, family catch-ups, and planning with friends. So here I'm going to show you first where to find it. So first you can just open the WhatsApp applications and head into the calls menu at the bottom right corner. And in here, you can just start a call, click on start a call, and you'll see this option schedule call. So click on that option. And in here, you can add descriptions if you want to. This is optional. For example, I'm going to go with team meeting. And in here, you can set the date and time. For example, I'm going to set it for tomorrow. So click on the date. I'm going to go with tomorrow right here. And for the time, let's say I'm going to go with 9 a.m. in here until 10 a.m. Sorry. And then here you can also choose to remove the end time if it doesn't specify. Click on that, and here you can set the type of call, whether it's a video call or a voice call. I'm going to go with video call. And then what you need to do is just send the schedule into, let's say, the team or your families. For example, in here I'm going to go add this person. You can hit on this arrow just like this, and now it will creating the event, and you'll see the schedule like this. You can also edit it if you want to. So guys, that's how you can schedule a call in WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.